Struggling with stubborn bolts or tackling car repairs? The right socket set can make all the difference. In this video, we'll showcase the best socket sets for mechanics, whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned pro. From compact kits to full professional sets, we'll cover durability, versatility, and value, so you can choose the perfect tools for your garage. Check the description below for links to every socket set featured. So let's dive in.
There's nothing like chasing a bolt that seems buried on purpose. That's the moment the CRAFTSMAN 262-piece mechanic tool set is supposed to prove its value. It comes housed in a sturdy 3-drawer case that feels like a genuine step up for a home garage. The low-profile ratchets are impressively slim, making tight engine bays far less frustrating. With a 72-tooth mechanism, you get fine, controlled movement instead of needing big, awkward swings to make progress. The selection is generous. Sockets, wrenches, hex keys, and driver bits are all included, giving you enough range to tackle most car repairs and everyday projects without scrambling for extra tools. The price usually falls in the mid to high range, but the lifetime warranty adds some reassurance. Organization is a clear strength. Every tool has its place, and the drawers open smoothly and lock with one hand. Not every piece feels heavy-duty, though. Some tools handle pressure confidently, while others seem better suited to moderate use. For DIYers and home mechanics, it's a capable, well-organized kit that covers most needs, even if it's not built for professional shop abuse. The moment you open the DEWALT 192-piece mechanic socket set, it's clear this isn't just a random collection of tools. It's a kit designed with precision and purpose. The chrome vanadium steel has that clean, polished look, and the tools feel solid in your hand. The ratchets deliver a firm, confident click, and the direct torque sockets are designed to grip fasteners along the flats instead of the corners. That means less chance of rounding off stubborn bolts and fewer busted knuckles along the way. With a full mix of SAE and metric sizes, plus deep and shallow sockets, extensions, and adapters, it handles a wide range of real-world jobs. It's typically priced on the higher end, but the durability and finish make it clear where the money goes. In use, the tools feel precise and strong, though the overall weight reminds you this isn't a compact travel kit. The case is rugged, but if you open it upright, a few pieces may shift. For serious DIYers and hands-on mechanics, it's a dependable set you reach for when a fastener won't budge. Cracking open the WORKPRO 450-piece mechanic socket set feels like unlocking a mini hardware store, packed and ready for anything. With 450 pieces, it covers nearly every scenario. Sockets, wrenches, bits, hex keys, and accessories, all organized in a blow-molded case with multiple trays. The chrome-plated finish looks sharp and resists rust, even if the tools sit unused for a while. The price is surprisingly reasonable for such a large set, making it a solid choice as a starter kit or emergency backup. In practice, the variety is both a blessing and a minor frustration. Common sizes are well covered, but some specialty sockets or deeper pieces are missing. Durability is generally good, though smaller bits may struggle under heavier torque. For homeowners, road trips, or general maintenance, it works as a reliable safety net. It's not a precision shop set, but for everyday repairs and quick fixes, chances are you'll find the tool you need right in this box. When you're after a reliable set that covers all the essentials without breaking the bank, the Amazon Basics 201-piece mechanic socket set is right on target. It includes the core essentials: 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drives, a mix of metric and SAE sockets, hex keys, and assorted bits, all stored in a compact carry case. The chrome vanadium steel construction feels solid for the price point, and the ratchets perform well for routine tasks like assembling furniture, fixing a bike, or tackling simple car maintenance.
This set usually lands firmly in the budget category, and that does come with trade-offs. The case is functional, but not especially rugged, and some pieces may loosen from their slots if you move it around a lot. When pushed under heavy torque, it's clear this kit isn't designed for daily professional use.
Even so, for homeowners, renters, or anyone putting together a first toolbox, it offers strong value. You get a wide range of tools for the money, and for light to moderate projects, it's a practical set you'll use often without worrying about the investment. For a complete mechanics set that won't drain your wallet, the AMM 202-piece mechanics socket set offers serious value. It includes a broad selection of sockets, ratchets, wrenches, hex keys, and bits, all organized in a compact, labeled toolbox. The chrome vanadium steel tools feel solid in hand, and the polished finish helps resist rust. The 72-tooth ratchet offers smooth, precise motion, which is especially handy in tight spots.
This set usually lands on the budget-friendly end, giving it strong value for the price. Organization is a standout feature. Each size is clearly marked, making it easy to grab the right tool quickly. That said, the trade-offs show under heavier workloads. Some sockets can shift in the case, and a few pieces don't feel built for high-torque tasks. For home mechanics, DIY projects, or keeping a complete kit in the garage or trunk, it covers plenty of ground. Treat it reasonably, and it delivers convenience and versatility without breaking the bank. If you've ever fired up an impact wrench only to hear a socket snap, you know the value of a set made for the job. The VEVOR 65-piece impact socket set is engineered to take that kind of heavy-duty strain without faltering. Each socket is made from impact-grade chrome vanadium steel and feels solid and weighty in hand. The 6-point hex design helps distribute force more evenly across the fastener, reducing the risk of rounding bolts when you're applying serious torque. The size markings are laser-etched and easy to spot, which helps when you're working in low light or under a layer of grime. Pricing is generally competitive for an impact-focused kit, and it ships in a durable metal case that feels ready for shop life. In practice, the sockets stand up well to impact guns, though the overall heft makes it less convenient to carry around. Over time, parts of the case hardware, like the latches, may show wear sooner than the sockets themselves. For anyone who regularly relies on impact tools, this set feels practical and purpose-built. It's straightforward, tough, and designed to take real punishment. That's a wrap on our top picks for the best socket sets for mechanics. Whether you're upgrading your home toolbox or stocking a professional garage, these sets have you covered for any job. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the socket sets we featured, so you can grab the perfect one for your needs. Thanks for watching, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tool reviews.